Hello dears, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will prepare a natural homemade recipe for wrinkles. This amazing and effective anti-aging remedy will help tighten your skin. Dears, if you are interested in natural homemade recipes, subscribe to the channel. Activate the bell button to be notified as soon as new recipes are released on our channel. Dears, write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. So, if you want to have younger looking skin and tighten your facial skin at the same time, this is for you. Now I added cucumber. Cucumber helps keep the skin moist and young. Everyone knows that egg whites are very good at tightening the skin. Then I added a little egg yolk, which will help nourish the skin. So if you want to nourish your skin while tightening your skin, this is for you. Dears, if you are interested in natural homemade recipes, subscribe to the channel. Activate the bell button to be notified as soon as new recipes are released on our channel. Dears, write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. Another thing that tightens the skin is sugar. Sugar helps tighten your skin. Dears, if you are interested in natural homemade recipes, subscribe to the channel. Activate the bell button to be notified as soon as new recipes are released on our channel. Dears, write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. Gently apply it to your face. Just take your time to apply it. It helps smooth your skin. It helps nourish your skin. Dear friends, write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It's very interesting to know. Smiling face with heart eyes, thumbs up, red heart. So, after you apply it, you leave it to dry for 10 minutes and then you wash it off. It helps tighten your skin and you see the results in just 10 minutes. You should use it every day. And it is good for both sensitive and normal skin. Everyone knows that Vaseline is very good. If you have sensitive skin, if you have normal skin, you can use this once a day. It is very suitable to see the result. So try this. If you want to tighten your skin, if you want your skin to look really good, glow, you should try this and you will see the result. You should do this for at least 3 days.